Hi guys, this is Tim Queen, and today we're going to talk about successful marketing on LinkedIn and what you shouldn't focus on. Now, a lot of times when I talk to other people about LinkedIn marketing, you often hear people like getting obsessed about likes and comments and shares and the number of views they got. And this is often something they are also trying to sell to customers. And it's completely wrong to focus on those metrics, because what you have to see, it matters far more who is seeing your post versus how much engagement are you generating. You can literally get 10,000 views and make 0 sales, or 100,000 views. If those coming from the wrong people, it's not helping you and your business. What I found in my own business, that independent of the number of views, likes and engagement, the numbers of business inquiries was far more likely linked to me actually matching a specific topic. Now here's the key how this works. You have to find a topic that is talking to a potential customer and is connecting part of their reality, what's going on in their life, something they worry about, something they want to solve, somewhere they want to go, and with something you have to offer. So you have to bring those two worlds together in your social media posts while being still entertaining and educating enough at the same time, so you're getting the right amount of engagement. Here's the key: from the right people. You don't want to write a post for the sake of creating engagement. I can write all kinds of posts, I can talk about all kinds of funky topics, and you're gonna see you will attract a ton of people on LinkedIn, and you get 10,000 likes or 1 million views. Doesn't matter, because you're not gonna get any business inquiries. I just wanna tell you about this little story. Now, there was this girl last year. She had over 4 million subscribers, and she was not capable of selling 36 t-shirts to her audience. And that's the thing, the difference. That's the big secret. It doesn't matter how many followers you have if none of them can afford to buy your services. If anyone comes to you and tells you they can get you millions of views and a ton of likes and engagement, ask them how many of those views actually turn into customers. Because the answer is, for 99% of those LinkedIn experts who are teaching you how to create engagement, you're gonna get crappy engagement that is not turning into any sales. It's much more important to actually know how to craft the right message that is speaking to the reality of just the right people who are just in the right mindset, who are just suffering from the right problem, and then communicating your ability to help them through storytelling. This is far more important. I noticed there is a big silent majority of people reading the post. They're not going to like it, they're not going to comment on it, they're not going to share it, but they're going to send you private messages. They're the ones who go onto your LinkedIn profile to send you a connection request. Those are the ones who are looking up your LinkedIn profile, finding your website, researching about all the stuff that you're offering, and then sending you an email afterwards. So let me know in the comments, what do you think about engagement versus results? If you want to learn more about LinkedIn marketing that actually works, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on to get an email notification when I release my next video. Now, if you want to learn more, I also put like 2 videos up here and here that you can check out, which contain some of my most important tips how to succeed with LinkedIn marketing. So make sure that you check both of them out, and I see you in the next video.